Seems like yesterday when a nigga had no luck. Seems like yesterday when a nigga had no bucks. Seems like yesterday when the world would give no fucks. Yeah, yesterday, after yesterday, and today I'm waiting.
These bitches know I'm the man. After the breakup, I gotta be started undercover prodigy. I've been to counseling, sermons, and churches, but still they can't get these fucking demons out of me. What's my philosophy? How'd I get the world to rock with me? How'd I get this killer following? How'd I go from being no one in Panorama City to being famous on Boggling? Everyone's mine. I don't go to bed as early. I be up all night up until 7:30 in the morning. My legacy's legendary. You won't ever catch a nigga stepping dirty. I know God has got me. I don't ever worry. I get it by any means necessary. The haters want my career dead and buried. That's a long shot, fucking Stephen Curry. Bitch, I know I done revived my whole plan. Fuck the Matrix, I had to break it, and now I'm the program. You won't ever catch me bowing down in the eyes of no man. Why should I be codependent? Motherfucker, I'm the golden ticket. This is my show and you don't get no admission. You won't survive a head-on collision, man, I'm so committed. I done broke a business, was a business.